Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to remotely browse or clone or edit any GitHub repository right in the VS Code itself. So VS Code provides you with this extension which is developed by Microsoft. So if you just type your GitHub repository, so this will be the extension which comes right here. It's developed by GitHub itself. It's used by almost 5 million developers. So simply click the install button, and after you install it, you will be able to browse any GitHub repo. So then it will actually add. So you just need to go to command line and simply say GitHub repository. So once basically in the documentation they have given this to get started. So yeah, so at this top bottom position here, left bottom position, you will see this icon appearing, and once you click this you will be able to be having different options here. One such option is this one, open remote repository. So simply click this option, and once you click this you will be able to select any kind of repository from GitHub. So if I select, you first of all need to sign up with your GitHub account. So I've already signed in. So once you sign in, again just click open remote. So here you just need to type the full address of the repo. So let's suppose I go to a github.com and I have this GitHub repo here, this GitHub repo that I need to open. So I will simply paste the address. So simply enter it, and now it will open that GitHub repo directly inside your VS Code. It will download all the content. So now you can see, you can access all these features right here itself. You can see the content of this GitHub repo. So with this extension, you can install it, enable it, and start opening, cloning, and editing any GitHub repo from the internet. It will have this option. Simply paste the address and then it will do this. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.